Third rant for the day is about Motorola. They're working on a successor for the very successful phone G31. It will be called maybe G32. The launch date is very near, and this is some of the specs of this phone. It's supposed to have an 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with HD plus definition with 90Hz refresh rate. It's got an 8 megapixel front camera. The rear of the phone is 50 main, 8 ultra wide, and 2 macro. It should come with Android OS 12.12 pre-built. It should have a Unisoc T606 chipset, 3GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery. The device might come with 32GB storage. It's likely to support 33-watt fast charging. That's pretty good. It should cost 229 euros in Europe. But I just hope it's about time Motorola improve the update to at least 2 or even 3 OS update, but they only give 1 and they just abandon their phone. Anyway, it's good to see such options coming up. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.